What's up, creators? Cool here, your AI mentor where creativity meets cash flow. Let me ask you this. Ever wonder how faceless YouTube channels are making thousands every single month? The best part? You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive tools, and you definitely don't need hours of editing. Today, I'm going to show you how authorityvideos.com is your ultimate shortcut to join them. Let's go. 1. Little Classics Baby Trends channel. This YouTube channel has skyrocketed to 350k subscribers in just 3 months by posting engaging baby-themed content like baby runway and whimsical scenarios, videos, 315 plus high-quality uploads, views, consistently racking up tens of thousands of views per video, revenue streams, ad revenue and brand partnerships with baby-centric companies. 2. Kickoff AI, anthropomorphic animal shorts. Over on TikTok, Kickoff AI is dominating with funny, engaging and shareable anthropomorphic animal content. Followers, 1.2 million dedicated fans. Views, videos frequently hit 500k to 1M views within days of posting. Engagement, likes and comments in the tens of thousands per post. History Hideout, Faceless History channel. History Hideout has built a loyal YouTube audience by posting visually engaging, bite-sized history videos that captivate viewers. Subscribers, over 210k subscribers. Views, many videos hit 50k, 200k views consistently. Revenue streams, leveraging ad revenue and affiliate links for history, themed books and products. These aren't just random examples, they're proof that faceless channels work. Whether it's baby runway, anthropomorphic animals, or history shorts, there's massive potential in these niches. What's even better? authorityvideos.com makes it effortless to create this type of content so you can focus on building your audience and scaling your income. Let's be real, building a faceless channel from scratch is no joke. It takes time, tools, and skills you might not have right now. Here's the traditional process: research viral trends and hope you land on the right niche. Write scripts or pay someone else to do it. Create visuals with AI tools or search endlessly for assets. Add animations using complicated software that takes months to master. Record voiceovers and spend hours syncing everything together. Edit the video with transitions, effects, and background music. Finally, optimize and upload your video for SEO. That's hours of work for one video. But what if there was an easier way? authorityvideos.com is your all-in-one tool to create viral, revenue-ready videos in minutes. No tech skills, no editing experience, and no endless hours required. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to authorityvideos.com, link in the description, and sign up. It's completely free for your first video. Step 2. Select your category. Let's go with the baby runway theme for this demo. Step 3. Now type a theme for your video. I'll type in Game of Thrones baby as my topic. You could do anything: Christmas baby, superhero baby, or even something like Winter Wonderland baby. Step 4, add music. I'll pick a fun, upbeat track from the built-in library. Step 5, hit generate. And just like that, in minutes, your video is ready. Look at this, a fully polished 3-scene video that's seamless, engaging, and ready to post. Imagine posting content like this consistently. Your channel will be unstoppable. Some more examples of videos I generated with one click. Here is a baby plus animal sub-theme, and the keyword I entered, baby with Australian animals catwalk. Here is a baby plus food sub-theme, and the keyword I entered, Mexican baby. Here is a baby plus toys sub-theme, and the keyword I entered, baby Christmas toys. And the best part, you can generate videos like this effortlessly, giving you all the tools to grow your channel with fresh viral content. Test drive it yourself and see the magic happen. Here's where it gets exciting. These videos aren't just about views, they're about income. With faceless YouTube channels, you can monetize in 3 powerful ways. Add revenue, earn money for every view your videos get. Sponsorships, partner with brands that want to reach your audience. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions on every sale. And because authorityvideos.com creates videos designed to go viral, you'll attract more views, subscribers, and opportunities, all with minimal effort. You've seen how easy it is to generate a video, but let me show you what's truly possible with authorityvideos.com. These aren't just random clips. They're engaging, scroll-stopping videos crafted to dominate social feeds. And the best part? Every single one of these was created in just a few clicks. This is the power of authorityvideos.com. Transforming your ideas into professional, viral-ready content faster than ever. And here's the best part. When you become a member of authorityvideos.com, you'll get access to my exclusive course on building a faceless channel. In this course, I'll personally guide you step by step on finding the best niches that attract views and income, setting up your channel for long-term growth and monetization, posting and optimizing your videos for maximum reach, scaling your content strategy to create consistent passive income. Think of me as your mentor in this journey. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to take your channel to the next level, this course has everything you need to crush it. Right now, faceless YouTube channels are exploding, and the creators who act fast are reaping the rewards. Don't wait for this opportunity to pass you by. Your first video is completely free. Click the link below and see for yourself how easy it is to create your first viral hit. Here's why authorityvideos.com is a game changer. Simplicity, viral-ready videos in just a few clicks. Uniqueness, custom themes that make your content stand out. Professional quality, videos that look like they took hours to produce, but didn't. Income potential, monetize your channel with ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Exclusive bonus, a free course to help you grow your channel, step by step. Everything you need to succeed is right here. And that's it, creators. Authorityvideos.com is your ticket to building a faceless channel empire without the stress. If you love this demo, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more game-changing tools and tips. Click the link below, try your first video for free, and start building your passive income empire today. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, it's cool to stand out.